Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Sorry for the lack of not uploading. It's been crappy weather. It's been so rainy. I haven't really updated anything. Sorry. Anyways, so today we have this Craftsman 4-stroke weed whacker. Before you watch this video, please subscribe to my channel. So we're going to be doing a startup, like a cold start. I haven't started this in a couple days. There's a little instruction thing on the side. So it says press the primer bulb, which is right here, 10 times. Alright, there's 10 times. And it says move the throttle lever to 1. Then squeeze the throttle and pull it 5 times. Okay, it says move the lever to 2. And then it just says 3 to 5 times to start it. Just pull it, no throttle.